So here's the issue. I have on this side a small antenna which is just got the white ribbon on it to the left, and the antenna that's fixed to the roof closest to us. I suspect the SWR is terrible and it needs replacing. It's been up for 13 years and I think finally the insides have rotted out. So first of all I'm going to test the SWR. So I've connected an MFJ analyzer, and we can see here appears to be a bit of construction going on. Let's check the SWR as we go through 2 meters. Oh, slight dip, but it's above 3. Yeah. For sure there's something wrong with that. We'll just do a quick check on UHF. And now they stop hammering. Okay. Let's go right through. Oh, there's a better SWR there. Increase frequency, there we go. Yeah, there's a better SWR on UHF for sure, but VHF is completely poochy wooched. Still not particularly good. Let's swap the antenna over and see where we go. And there we go. That one's off. These actually are NMO mounts. I can unscrew that and show you. So that's an NMO mount through the roof of the car, and you have this, what would this be, an SO239 through to NMO adapter, so that you can use conventional ham antennas, or you could just buy an antenna with an NMO mount on it. Right, there we go. Oh, what a racket, hit the carport. There we go, she's ready. Let's give it a test on the SWR. Okay, so here we go. 140 megahertz. Look at that. 145, 146. How low is that? 1.1. Climbs up again to 149.2, so that is much more usable, and that obviously was my issue, and that's even being parked right against a metal carport roof. Okay, let's check out the UHF side. With these analyzers, you've always got to turn the power off if you're going to switch between VHF and UHF. Otherwise it blows some FET inside. Right, well that's looking better already. 448. Let's see where she comes in. Look at that. 439. Oh, here comes our sounds again. Yeah, so the lowest is about 439. usable all the way through, I would say. Still only 1.5. 450, yeah, we're not going to go up there. So, pretty conclusive, it was the antenna.
So this video, if you like it, our video, comment down below or thumbs up.
Thanks for watching VA3SII. Bye.